Click on the link below to get price. The replace parts for machine carburetor for Ljfan ES5500 models is an essential component for anyone who owns one of these generators. From the moment I installed the new carburetor, I noticed significant improvements in the generator's performance. The initial setup was straightforward, thanks to the included instructions that were clear and concise. The fit was perfect, aligning seamlessly with the existing components of my ES5500, which made the installation process a breeze. One of the standout features of this carburetor is its build quality. It feels robust and well-engineered, crafted from durable materials that inspire confidence in its longevity. After several hours of use, including both light and heavy loads, it has performed admirably without any signs of wear or degradation. Performance-wise, the generator returned to its former glory, starting easily with minimal pull on the starter cord. No more frustrating sputtering or stalling, which was a common issue with my old carburetor. The engine runs smoothly and efficiently, providing reliable power when needed. I've also noticed a slight improvement in fuel efficiency, which is always a welcome benefit. Another aspect worth mentioning is the customer support that comes with this product. If any questions arise during installation or usage, the manufacturer provides responsive assistance, which can be invaluable for those who might not be as mechanically inclined. For anyone looking to revitalize their Ljfan ES5500 generator, this carburetor replacement is a smart investment. It is an economical solution that not only restores functionality but enhances it. Overall, I highly recommend the replace parts for machine carburetor for Ljfan ES5500 series. Whether you're a casual user or rely on your generator for heavy-duty tasks, this carburetor delivers robust performance, ensuring you can depend on your generator year-round.